Well, what we're going to be doing is trying to build a garden box. This is my, not really a big vlogger type guy, but I decided to bring you guys along to see what we can do with this some wood. So we'll try to see if we can get a raised beds planted this year, in addition to our other work that we do with the chickens.
This is a war, and this is your fate. We are the face of your new police state. We are the...
All right.
Can I need your action goggles?
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Pretty good. All right, now, this is what I learned. This is, you got my face? This is called a countersink. And what this does is it makes the hole larger so that when we put the screw in it, the screw doesn't sit out, it sinks in. Is that pretty cool or what? Reading. That is what I do a lot of. And you should too. Reading. So a countersink, which probably everybody watching the video already knows. Now, just quickly, I'll show you how this works. Ready? Where's that? You have the screw there? Thank you. All right, so we'll use the Craftsman bits here. Drive this down. Oof, hexa, look at that. Hexa screws. That's a pain. All right, so there we go. All right, just to show you, this hex grabbed in there, right? Observe, observe. All right, here you go. Okay, watch this. This is what I learned, and I am now teaching you. Observe. See how now the screw sits below the wood. That is pretty.
Slick.
Is that slick or what? I just learned that. So that before I didn't know how to do this countersink, they call it, and then all of it was like that. All right. Put pressure on that. Go ahead. Go ahead. A little bit. Yep. A little bit more. Perfect.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
So you got to go ahead. And what you got to do is make sure you get this until it clicks in, and then go ahead. Perfect.
There we go.
Okay. Make sure that clicks in.
Okay.
Sometimes. There you go. Once it's in, then you.
Oops, that one went in.
Work. Now we know, right?
Yes.
Okay.